Detailed Case Summary Court Case, the Astra 2012 EWHC3128 Court, England and Wales High Court Commercial Court Judge, Mr. Justice Flo. Background facts. Claimant, Charterer. Humpus Intermode Transportosi Defendant Owner, Astra Oil Company Inc. Vessel, the Astra Charter Party. A charter party is a contract between the owner of a vessel and the charterer for the use of the vessel. In this case, it was a long-term charter party under Shell Time 4 form modified by the parties. Facts. Humpus Intermode Transportosi, the charterer, had chartered the vessel, the Astra, from Astra Oil Company Inc., the owner, under a long-term time charter party. The charter party stipulated a requirement for the charterer to pay hire punctually and regularly. The charterer failed to pay hire on time. The owner withdrew the vessel from the service and terminated the charter party, claiming damages for loss of future hire. Arguments. Owner's argument. The owner argued that the failure to pay hire on time constituted a repudiatory breach of the charter party, asserting that the punctual payment clause was a condition of the contract entitling the owner to terminate the contract and claim damages for future loss. Charterer's argument. The charterer contended that the payment clause was not a condition but rather an intermediate term. A breach of this term should only entitle the owner to withdraw the vessel and claim for loss accrued up to the date of withdrawal, not for future loss. Final outcome decision. The High Court ruled in favor of the owner, Astra Oil Company Inc. Mr. Justice Flaw determined that the obligation to pay hire punctually was indeed a condition of the contract. This decision allowed the owner to terminate the charter party and claim damages for the loss of future hire. More justification. The court's decision was heavily based on the interpretation of the charter party and the intention of the parties. Mr. Justice Flaw referred to previous cases such as the Brims 1973 1 WLR 386 and the Georgios C 1971 1 QB 488, where punctual payment of hire was considered essential. The court concluded that the stipulation for punctual payment was a condition, as timely payment of hire was critical for the commercial balance of the charter party. A breach of this condition, therefore, entitled the owner to terminate the contract and claim damages for future loss of hire, which was intended to compensate for the revenue the owner would have earned had the charter party remained in place. Key concept implications. The case of the Astra set a significant precedent by reinforcing the classification of punctual payment of hire as a condition in a charter party. This decision provided clarity on the remedies available to vessel owners when charterers fail to make timely hire payments. Key learnings. Punctual payment as a condition. Timely payment of hire in a charter party is essential and considered a condition. Right to terminate and claim damages. Owners can terminate the contract and claim for future losses if the charterer fails to pay hire punctually. Contractual terms and commercial balance. The importance of understanding and drafting clear terms in charter parties to maintain commercial balance and protect interests. Legal precedents. This case relied on and reinforced previous legal precedents regarding punctual payment clauses.
Answer. Continuous professional development, CPD, is essential for financial advisors to keep their knowledge and skills up to date, ensuring they can provide the best possible advice to their clients. Significance of CPD. Knowledge enhancement. CPD helps advisors stay informed about new products, regulations, and industry trends. Skill improvement. Ongoing training enhances advisors' skills, enabling them to offer more competent and relevant advice. Adaptability. CPD ensures advisors can adapt to changes in the financial landscape, maintaining their effectiveness and relevance. Contribution to high standards. Client trust. Clients have more confidence in advisors who continually update their knowledge and skills. Professional competence. Regular CPD helps maintain high standards of competence and professionalism across the industry. Regulatory compliance. CPD is often a regulatory requirement, ensuring advisors meet the necessary standards to practice.